Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your key from a Ford Fusion without an admin key. First, you'll need to find the small access panel, often a tiny slot, located near your ignition cylinder. This panel is specifically designed to allow manual key removal in situations where the vehicle's electronics might not release it. Using a small, flat tool, like a paperclip or a tiny screwdriver, you can gently press into this slot. This action will engage a release mechanism, allowing you to extract your key smoothly and easily. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot of hassle. Before you begin, make sure your Ford Fusion is completely turned off and securely in the park position. This ensures safety and prevents any accidental engagement of the vehicle. Next, carefully examine the area immediately surrounding your ignition cylinder. You are looking for a very small, often inconspicuous, rectangular slot or a tiny button. This is the manual override. Once you've located it, grab a thin, sturdy object such as a straightened paperclip or a jeweler's screwdriver. These tools are ideal for fitting into the small opening and activating the release. With your chosen tool, gently insert it into the small slot you found. You don't need to force it. A light touch is usually sufficient. As you push, you should feel a slight resistance and then a distinct click. This click indicates that the internal locking mechanism has been disengaged. Once you hear or feel that click, maintain a slight pressure on the tool while simultaneously pulling your key out of the ignition. It should slide out smoothly without any further resistance. This simple action bypasses the electronic lock. Remember, always use gentle pressure when performing this action to avoid damaging your ignition cylinder or the key itself. If you encounter any difficulty, or if your key still won't release, it's always a good idea to consult your Ford Fusion's owner's manual for model-specific instructions or seek professional assistance. This method is a common workaround, but individual vehicle variations can exist. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.